fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you another finish. I'm so excited. I've actually managed to finish two things already this month, and we're only halfway through the month, so go me. Maybe I'll finish a third thing, who knows? So here is my little container tray. This is one of the Elizabeth Ward knockoff ones that I got from, I think, Fan Sales. I get a lot of questions about where I got this one. Most of the budget companies carry something like this, and you can get it in a variety of versions. You can get it like this one here, which I got because they were all the super small size containers, but you can also get them with all big sizes, all the next size down. There's 4 different sizes. You can get it with a mixture of them as well, so just hop over to one of the budget sites and you should be able to find them. So this was a Diamond Dots kit. This is actually a kit that I bought at one of the stores here locally. So excited about that, that I have a local supplier, at least for now. The way things are going, who knows, but for now. Yeah, just really excited. I always really like Diamond Dots. This is a round kit. I haven't done a Diamond Dots square, and I've had conflicting information from people about that, so I may buy a square one if I can find one, just to test it out for myself and see, but the round ones are great. So this particular kit didn't have any ABs in it, and I didn't add anything in, but I had plenty of drills to finish up everything, even though there weren't some of these colors I used very little of. I had plenty left over of every color. Super happy I managed to finish everything. The kit only took me, it's a partial, so it only took me about 10.5 hours, and probably some of that was me spacing off and watching TV rather than actually diamond painting while I was timing myself. Okay, so I had plenty left over. This holds 39 trays. I had 38 colors. And then here you can see my trash. And again, this is a smaller container, but a lot of the trash, they had like holes in the top. So that was most of the trash. And then occasionally there were ones that had like little tabs left on them. So not a ton of trash. It's not a very big kit, so you wouldn't expect there to be much trash, but not a ton. Okay, let me go grab the canvas and we'll look at the finished product. So even though this kit is only like 40 by 50-ish, the design area, I can't fit it all on the screen. So as always, I will take B-roll so that you guys can see everything. But here we have the Mandalorian with his helmet and everything looking down at Baby Yoda or Grogu. I think it turned out really cute. I thought the purple was a weird choice, but it's supposed to be like light shining off of him. So I love his cute little face. Lots and lots of black and dark blue in the Mandalorian, but you can see there's some pinks and yellows up here and some lighter blues and some grays, so it wasn't all super dark colors. And then we have the greens of Baby Yoda and his hands, and then lots and lots of browns for his little tunic. So let me slide him up a little bit so you can kind of see. But I think it came out super cute. Like I said, it didn't take me very long to do at all. I like diamond dots, not just because it's nice to get a quick win, especially when you're doing a partial because you're not doing the full painting. But also, their drills are really nice. I really like their drills. They adhere nicely to the canvas. They're nice and flat. Their drill field is nice and tight, so you don't get a lot of gapping even with the round drills. It's just an overall nice kit. So if you want small projects or smaller projects for some of you, then this is a good choice, I think. Hubby loves how it turned out. I don't know if he's going to want to frame it or do anything with it. It may just go in my pile of things I finished this year, but it's another finish, so it's a win for me. It's hours I get to count. It's a finished project. It's another kit out of my stash. So win, win, win for me. Now I can move on to the next thing and see if I can keep whittling down my stash. So yeah, nothing super technical about this one. I didn't add in any ABs, like I said. 38 colors, which I thought was actually quite a lot, but I suppose there's a lot of shading in all of the browns here and the green of his face. I mean, there's like 5 or 6 different greens just in his face, I think. But super cute, super happy with how it turned out. Now I can cross this one off my list. So have any of you finished a Diamond Dots recently? I was actually looking to see if maybe I wanted to order some stuff because I can order it from Michael's, or I guess I could order it directly from Diamond Dots. I don't know if that ships out of the US though, or if it would be a drop ship kind of thing. I probably don't need to order anything right now because I'm still trying to get rid of stuff out of my stash. So I should just wait until I have some more things done and then I can think about buying some things. Leave me a comment and let me know down below. What do you think of this? Do you think it was enough colors? Do you think there's enough shading in it? That's a little harder to do with a partial, but I think it's a small enough picture that it doesn't look too pixelated to me. Looking at it through the camera, I think his face is shaded really nicely, but let me know what you think. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.